to come on because I wanted to thank Missy. She's a subscriber of mine, and I've showed other things that subscribers have sent me in the past, and I wanted to acknowledge just all of these people. I just can't get over the sweetness of subscribers. It just absolutely amazes me. If anyone ever says that YouTube, having friendships on YouTube isn't real, I'm here to tell you it is. I am here to tell you it is. So, without further ado, I just want to show you what Missy sent me just recently. On the package, I'm not going to show the addresses, obviously, but she even put a huge heart with this beautiful paper, which I will keep. I'm telling you, I'm so sentimental, I keep everything. I just put this here because I'm going to be doing a DIY on that. And she sent me a really sweet little note. And what amazes me is my YouTube sisters that have channels and my subscribers, it amazes me how they listen just to everything that you have to say, you know? And she gave me one of these plates, which I am going to use for my Thanksgiving and Christmas, because like you guys know, I am doing the buffalo check again, because I'm going to do snowman and gingerbread. So I am going to, well, you'll see what I do with this. Okay, so she got me that. These I absolutely love. These are little plant stands, but I don't use them for that. I use them for risers, for all kinds of stuff, especially my faux cakes and pies. Or you could do cupcakes too, just put a plate on there. But one of these, I love them. And she had stuff wrapped so sweet in tissue paper, and I will use this tissue paper. And she had told me that she found, I think this is corn cob, well, I can't remember what it's called, but anyway, I had said that I was looking for these because where I am, I could not find them. And so she texted me and she said, don't get any. I bought so much that I'll never use it all. So I will be putting these on my caramel apples for fall coming up, so I'll do a DIY on that. Also, you can put those on cakes. And then this cute little pumpkin that is so sweet. And then straws. These will be perfect at springtime and summer with my ice creams and faux desserts and everything else. And then these straws for Halloween, aren't those perfect? And I think she heard that I'm really into the owls, so look, this is a little candle where you put a tea light, so that will be going in with my fall decor, probably on my tiered tray. Then she went to I can't remember where she said she got these, at a thrift store, I think. Well, anyway, these tins, which will make beautiful little faux treats. And after using them, I will put them just on my hutch, because these are adorable. And they're all different shapes. And I even saw where you can do ornaments, Christmas ornaments with them. So I may, you know what, I might put these on my Christmas tree in the kitchen. But look at all the different shapes. Diamond, flowers, oval, hearts, round. Are those adorable? So I will find a lot of uses for these. And then she got me this trick or treat sign, which I love. And this will go in my Halloween decor, which you guys will be seeing. And then this little hanger, isn't that sweet? It's burlap. Happy Halloween. I love it. That will also be with my home decor. Hope you can see that. And then again, I know she heard me about the owls. Look at these guys. Are these too cute or what? I think I'm going to embellish a frame. And then she sent me 2 of these, which these are going to be perfect because I needed something for a DIY I'm doing. And what I'm going to do, so I don't just paint them, I think I'm going to wrap these with some scrapbook paper. And then I can just take it off and then put different scrapbook paper for different holidays. But anyway, Missy, thank you so much. Truly, I mean, I never expect anything, and I'm floored when I do get something. I mean, it's just, this just made my day when I got this. Thank you so much, sweetie. And you will see this stuff that you have gifted me in some upcoming DIYs. And then Country Charm by Tracy. Oh my gosh, what a sweetheart, and so talented. I love the way that she does her primitive, because it reminds me when I used to go to craft classes, and one in particular, a very good friend of mine, she has since passed, but we were very close. We knew each other since fifth, and I was in 5th, she was in 6th when we met. Anyway, so I was looking at, I believe it was her Instagram, and or she was showing springs, and I just said, oh my gosh, where did you get those? That's all I said. Where did you get those? She said, give me your address, I'll mail you some. That's what I'm saying about these women. I mean, they're just wonderful with a sweet little note to me. So I will, look at this. I am thrilled over these because last year, if you remember right, I did a snowman and I made this spring because I couldn't find any. Look at that. She said this. Look at these. To a crafter, these are gold. I'm not kidding. We don't have, in California, at least where I am, maybe I'm just missing the boat somewhere, I don't know. You just don't find these. You know what I mean? I am in love with these. Just another example of just the friendships and the camaraderie that this particular niche has, and I absolutely adore them. So thank you to all of my subscribers and my YouTube creator sisters. You're the best. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.